And one more feature that we have got in this software is you can save your watch list with specific names. Say, for example, let's remove a few stocks. I'm going to remove all the stocks. Let me select. To remove stocks, we have to tick them and click this button. Click to remove the checked symbols from the list. Once you click, it will ask for confirmation. This will clear 4 symbols from the list. Yes. Because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep only the symbols that are related to indexes. To check multiple symbols, now I select the first symbol and hold the shift button and click on the last symbol. And once multiple symbols are selected, all I have to do is press the space bar on my keyboard. Then all the selected symbols will be ticked. To remove the ticked symbol, I have to click this button. Click yes. Just a note, removing symbols from the watch list will not remove it from AmiBroker. Even though I have removed these symbols from EzAlgo watch list, these symbols will be retained in AmiBroker until we delete this symbol specifically from AmiBroker watch list. So to delete a symbol from AmiBroker, you can right click on the symbol and select delete. Click S on the confirmation window. That's it. So this is how you delete it from AmiBroker. And to remove it from your existing watch list, you can just select the symbols and click this button. Now, as you can see, this watch list has only Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex Index, and some options for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I want to save this list for later use. To achieve this, what I can do is I can click on this box, give it a name, go to Options menu, and click Save Watch List. To save a watch list with your preferred name, you can give a name that is easy to remember. Index Options List. So I want to save these symbols in a separate watch list and click OK. Now let me remove all the symbols. So there is another way to select multiple symbols. You can just click on a symbol and drag your mouse. So this will select all the symbols. Now press spacebar. Now all the symbols are selected. I'm going to remove the select checked symbols. Click S. So all the symbols that I have selected or removed except these 3 indexes. So by default, these are permanent symbols which cannot be removed from the watch list. Now I'm going to add stocks that are traded in NSE futures. So to do so, let me select NSE and then select FUTSTK segment, future stock segment. I'm going to expand it and I want to add only the symbols first month contract. So to do so, click on the first month contract. Now in the bottom section, you will see all the symbols that are traded in NSE future stocks. So I just click and drag all the symbols and press spacebar. Now I have added all the first month contract stock futures in my watch list. Now I want to save this as a separate watch list. Save watch list NSE futures first contract. Click OK. So now we have got 2 watch lists, one with NSE futures first contract and another one NSE index options list. So if I want to load my NSE index options list, all I have to do is click the drop down, select the watch list that I want to load, go to options and click load watch list. Now all my watch list symbols are clear. The symbols that are saved in the NSE options list is loaded. This will help you to organize your stocks in your customized group. Say after some time, say I want to load NSE futures first month contract. All I have to do is select the watch list, go to options, load watch list. Now all index options symbols are cleared and NSE future stocks are added. So this is the easiest way to handle multiple group of watch list. I have seen clients who used to save NSEC symbols in a different watch list and NSE futures in a different watch list and NSE index options in a different watch list. And there are some people who used to save NSE weekly options in a different watch list. So watch list will be the efficient way to handle multiple stocks. In order to delete a watch list, it is also very easy. All you have to do is select a watch list here and just click delete watch list. So let's do, we have one more feature. Let me show you. Before that, let me remove all the symbols. So there is one more option, remove all the symbols. You see this eraser icon button. Just click on that. If you want to clear everything from your watch list, just click. It will remove everything from your existing watch list. So now all the symbols in the watch list are clear. So if you want to add NSE equity stocks that are also traded in NSE futures, all you have to do is go to options and click add F&O equity symbols. Once you do, all the symbols that are traded in NSE futures will be added instantly. You can add more by selecting stock. If you want to add more stocks, click on the stock segment and you can add whatever stocks that you want to add that are not traded in NSE futures. And selecting stocks randomly just to show you how to add stocks. That's it. So now we have seen how to add symbols to your watch list, how to create multiple watch lists. You can create watch list sector wise, market capital wise, in every way that you can imagine.